Valerie and Chelsea. Earth Day's coming up. Valerie, what do you know about Earth Day?
We try to protect the earth and we don't litter.
Huh. And Chelsea, what do you know about Earth Day?
We turn the lights off. Hi, Jane. What do you know about Earth Day? Turning off the lights. Hey, I had the same idea. Cassie Pie, what do you know about Earth Day? You can turn off the water tap. Hi, Rihanna. What do you know about Earth Day? I turn off the lights and I turn off the water. Hey, I said that I turn off the lights. That's what she said too. Caitlin Octopus, what do you do on Earth Day? I swim in clean water.